In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off SafeSearch in Google search bar results on Android phone. It's a fast tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's super easy to go ahead and do this. All you want to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Now, you can do this on literally any Android phone you have. So right now in Google Chrome, you want to go over to google.com. This is very important in the process. And from here, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see settings at the very bottom. Over here, you're going to see a few different options. You want to go to search settings, and then under content, you're going to see safe search. Go ahead and click on that. And if it's on filter or blur, you want to make sure to just turn it off, and that's it. Now it's going to be off and then you'll be good to go. And anytime you want to put it back on, maybe you want to blur it to help blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. You can switch it to this if you want. And if you always want to blur it, let's say like a child's using the phone or something, you can put it on filter. And yeah, by default, you can just have it off and that's it. It's going to say Safe Search is now off at the very bottom and you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.